Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is Fresh, come back to you guys with yet again another piece of fresh gaming content. Today what I'm be doing is showing you guys exactly how to go ahead and connect your PS4 controller to your PC via Bluetooth. No wires, no nothing, and it's gonna be really simple, really easy. So let's go ahead and jump right in the video. So, like I said before, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to go ahead and connect your PS4 controller to your guys' computer via Bluetooth. So, before we jump into the video, go ahead and subscribe if you guys are new and support the channel. Just like, comment below. Helps the channel and helps the video, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So, the first thing you're going to need to do, go ahead and get your controller, and just like you would normally connect it to a PS4, you're going to hold the PSN button, but you're going to add the share button. So hold the PSN and the share button in until you get a very aggressive flash on the back of the remote. Once you do get this very aggressive flash on the back of the remote, what you're going to need to do is go ahead and head over to your PC settings. You're going to want to type in just Bluetooth. Go ahead and go in there. And where it says mouse, keyboard, and pen, all that kind of stuff, go ahead and go into the add Bluetooth and other devices. You're going to want to click on Bluetooth, and then what's going to do is it's going to add this device and it pop up as a wireless controller. So once this does pop up as a wireless controller, or it might say input, go ahead and click on this right here. Go ahead and press done. Once we get done, we can go ahead and you guys can see that we're moving it right here. The mouse isn't moving, but we're moving the controller going up and down the screen like this right here. And I'll go ahead and show you a little bit of gameplay, just me playing with the controller. So yeah, you guys, that was how to connect a PS4 controller to your PC via Bluetooth. It's not hard, it's not advanced, so I'm not going to waste your guys' time and drag you on through the video. But I do appreciate everybody that did stay until the very end of the video. If you did enjoy, remember to like and subscribe if you're new, of course. Share the video with your friends. It helps promote the video as well as it helps the channel to grow. And comment below exactly what you guys want to see next. But until the next fresh video, I will see you guys next time.